As Southeast Asia's leading online marketplace, Shopee offers massive potential for e-commerce software. Whether you're building a multi-channel selling tool, inventory sync app, order management system, or any other e-commerce related solution, integrating with the Shopee API is a crucial step. Shopee API is a set of endpoints that allows software developers to connect their software or systems directly to Shopee's platform, enabling real-time data exchange and process automation. Shopee API uses REST and JSON formats and requires software developers to register as Shopee partners and follow Shopee's authentication rules using access tokens. Developers can use it to create, update, and delete product listings, synchronize inventory, retrieve and process orders, and manage shipping info. Shopee API gives software developers the ability to build powerful, scalable tools and solutions for the Southeast Asian e-commerce market. Having access to such data, they can develop inventory management systems, multi-channel selling platforms, and automation tools that support Shopee sellers at scale. However, developers should be aware that Shopee enforces rate limits and has strict rules around token expiration, which means reliable error handling and refresh token logic must be built into e-commerce integration. Moreover, Shopee often updates its API, and regional variations between different Shopee markets can lead to inconsistencies in supported features, currencies, and logistics providers. Software developers need to keep their e-commerce integrations up to date and flexible enough to support country-specific behaviors. Testing across regions and maintaining compatibility with future Shopee API changes is a crucial part of long-term success. To make the process faster and more manageable, many software developers turn to integration solutions, such as API to Cart. Using API to Cart, developers can integrate their e-commerce software with Shopee and 60+ other e-commerce platforms and marketplaces, including Shopify, Magento, WooCommerce, Amazon, BigCommerce, OpenCart, PrestaShop, and others, at once using one unified API. This approach eliminates the need to build and maintain separate connectors for each platform and significantly reduces development time and costs. It also means software developers can focus more on product features and less on e-commerce integration maintenance. Contact us today and explore how to integrate your e-commerce software with Shopee API via API to Cart easily.